Coolpad has yet again launched a new phone in its entry-level segment. Coolpad Cool 12A is one of the best phones you can get in this price range. Today, we are going to unbox the phone and give our first impressions on it. We will start with opening the seal first. Now let's check what's inside the box. Obviously, we have the phone first. Likewise, we also have a SIM ejector and an adapter, a 10-watt USB Type-C charging support, and also a pair of earphones. Now, keeping aside the box, let's check the phone first. Firstly, I like how vibrant its color is and it is of the perfect size. I believe it is going to fit perfectly in my pocket, and that's the best part of it. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is cherry on top because I personally find it easier to unlock the phone this way. Now we will boot the phone, and while it is on boot, we'll have a look at its specifications. The device has 6.12 inches resolution display. I think the display is pretty good considering its price. There is no ghosting and the brightness is pretty good. One of the most interesting features of this phone is its triple camera setup. So I will be looking onto its front-facing camera first. Let's start. Well, it's not that bad. I will also check its portrait as well as primary camera. Well, that's it for the first impression of the phone, and we will also be posting a full review after a few days. So stay tuned and subscribe to TechSathi.